speak fluently Arabic. That's why that company growing according to that person, right? And he can make understand where is weak point and where is good point in company, right? And how to work for their company, and what required for their company. The people make them understand perfectly, right? That's why they paying that company paying high salary to them due to their language also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Junit, you tell me, you are from West Bengal, right?
Yes.
But your tone not like a West Bengal people. If we talk with West Bengal people, we can evaluate they are from West Bengal. People they talk with me and they immediately tell you are from West Bengal. But your English is not like a West Bengal people. Yeah.
Not visual people. It's like
Em-
you will not find a like a Bengali person like this.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Your English is not MTI, mother tongue influence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because in my home we
Hmm.
speak in Hindi because I will study in Urdu medium school.
Okay. That's why your English is different. If we talk with
Yeah.
West Bengal people, then definitely we, right now going on storm here. I think so in rainfall. I think so.
It's really
No, it like that is storm is going on. वो क्या बोलते हैं कि वो जो बारिश होने के पहले सो जो हवा वगैरह नहीं आता है क्या, स्टॉर्म जैसा.
yeah like yeah
Right now electricity also gone. It's okay. I am talking with you and taking food. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, that's why you speak like a as a Hindi speaker, not like a. Okay, do you talk with
yeah
Bengali with anyone? Do you talk with anyone Bengali?
yes.
Okay, but you speak less Bengali, right?
No. In my there is just two more guy from West Bengal.
Mm-hmm.
So we every time communicate with Bengali each other.
Okay, but your English is not like a Bengali people. That's why. Okay, maybe you while speaking, your speaking is not influenced in your mother tongue.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's why. No one can recognize you are from West Bengal. If you tell them I am from West Bengal, then they can understand. Okay, he's belonged to
Uh,
Bengal. Otherwise, even though you see, if
mostly in Kolkata what happened, mostly people are speaking every Hindi also and Bengali also. They put Hindi also and Bengali also.
hmm,
Because Kolkata, if you go to any job, you have to know both languages, Hindi and Bengali both.
of course.
Because there is some more like the people are coming from the hotel and restaurant. They
Hmm,
don't know Bengali.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Okay. Other you have to connect with Hindi or English.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
And some people from the also that much you have to connect it with them through Hindi. Because you are doing like that, you have to understand Hindi also with them.
Hmm, 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 hmm. You know, when I was studying in LLB, that's when one girl studying with us, and her name is Dalma. Dalma, I think so, and she belongs to West.
Yeah, Dharma also.
Ha ha ha, bilkul. But her name is Dalma. I think so. Dalmia or Dalma, this type of. And
Really?
yes, she was from West Bengal. Bengal.
Dharma is from Odisha. They make with the dal and so they will do.
Yes, Baba, but I asked, what's your name then, Dalmia or Dalma? This type of she told me. Yeah, he's from West Bengal. Yes.
Okay.
Then right now, if you go to your office after that, after 12, you have to come back, right?
Yes.
Because that means night time, so many customer come to take food in a restaurant, right?
Yeah. So many people are coming to.
Mm-hmm. That's why people wait in there at late night, right?
No, there is no limited concept. This restaurant is closed 11 o'clock.
Okay.
There is no late night restaurant is there. There is no such like a bar. You cannot find the alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
The all restaurants is closed like 11 maximum 12.
Mm-hmm. They people, native people, they don't take alcohol, right?
Yeah, alcohol is like banned here.
That's why crime is less.
If they, yeah, if they get you like any get and police will catch you with alcohol,
Mm-hmm.
you will go to the jail or they will put you in your country.
Right. And you stay inside prison and you never get bail, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's why people.
Still, if people are consuming alcohol here,
Mhm,
they will get easily alcohol. People are consuming alcohol,
mhm,
but it's banned. But government gives some like government also just food रखा है
mhm,
because the another country people they are coming, they are working there.
mhm.
That's why the government will not that much of a strict. But there is a law. If they will fine
Mhm.
you there,
Mhm.
they will like give a plenty or they, if you are not lucky, they will deport you to your country also.
Okay, if they catch you, then they will punish you, right? Or if they don't catch you, then it
Yeah,
will be okay, right?
yeah, yes.
Hmm. I got your point. While taking dinner, I am talking with you. दो काम हो जा रहा है.
Okay, you having a drink?
Yes, I am taking chapati.
Ah,
Hmm.
chapati and what?
Chapati and mixed vegetable.
Mixed vegetable. Ah, that's good. I also like long time ago, like I did not eat chapati.
Oh, people they don't take in chapati and you never make in chapati?
No, no, because it, we are not, it's very hard to make chapati in a because you make a dough in milna, chalky, stuff, lot.
Right.
It take a huge time.
Right. जितना जल्दी होगा आप प्रिपेयर करके खा के सो जाते हैं, राइट? इट इज नॉट लाइक ए
Yeah, yeah. That's why we are making a, yeah, making a rice and
वन
sabji, something like.
हम्म. That is a because you can consume time also, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
and we don't have like a rolling pan like a business shop. You know, we don't have in our room.
Right.
We don't have tawa also to make to make chapati.
Hmm.
Even we don't buy cooker also.
Hmm. Okay, you tell me one thing. You don't have any holiday, right, Juna? You don't have any holiday?
Holiday means we have a week day, like a weekly off day.
Okay, weekly. Then okay. You told me on Monday, right? You get a holiday on Monday,
Yeah,
weekend
yeah,
in Monday. Okay. I forgot.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Then what do you do on Monday? How do you spend your time?
Like in my off day, like we have to clean the room.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is cleaning the room in their off day. So
Mm-hmm.
and we are also doing a laundry.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to make a food.
वो तो
And
टाइम
in
खत्म हो जाएगा.
yeah, in between laundry, cleaning the room, and cooking, like half of the will finish.
Right, of course. You means what you spend your time proper way, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Then call to the home, talking to family, talking to mom,
Mm-hmm. Right. Because you don't get time to,
and then
you don't get lots of time to free, right? You don't have a
yeah,
leisure time. I'm assuming you don't have leisure time,
yeah,
right? Because if you get
yeah,
time, then you wash your clothes, you wash your clean room, you clean your room, and you talk with your family member, relatives, friend. Then it will be, you spend good time, right?
yeah.
Hmm.
Then sometimes you will get some like watching a phone.
Right. What type of movie do you like?
Our off day will finish.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, like I don't watch movie like nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I watched movie like only the Pushpa.
Hmm. Hmm. Everyone likes Puspa.
Yeah, because every maximum people they are watching the Pushpa movie because like that kind of publicity on scenarios. Watching.
You see, people always like simplicity. You know, their heroes
Hmm.
dress code, heroine dress code, similar with गांव का people के साथ उन लोग का मीन्स जो रखे हुए ना वो मूवी में सब वो कल्चर उसका जो
Hmm.
जितना भी है डायलॉग्स वगैरह सब क्या होता है कि गांव का लाइफ में थोड़ा सिमिलरिटी रहता है सिंप्लिसिटी ज्यादा है राइट.
Huh. And it's not about Gaon. Maximum South Indian people who is living in a city or who live in a village,
Mm-hmm.
they don't have to, they don't do any job.
Right. Oh, they ज्यादा
They are
simplicity.
just like, yeah. Here also I see so many from like people from South India. They are very rich people.
Mm-hmm.
And if you will see them, you will not get that man have that much of money. You
Mm-hmm.
cannot judge people.
They never show off themselves, right? And they
Yeah.
people
And South
highly
Indian,
qualified. They people highly qualified also. They are highly qualified.
yeah, yeah.
They at
And
least
South Indian people,
at least they completed their
they are,
MSc or
mm,
PG or MAD or you can say PhD. This kind of they completed. Girls are double degree. They have a double degree, not only simple graduation,
yeah,
right? But we people
mm,
think if
mm.
anyone complete only graduation, then we think means his or her education is highly. We people consider, right?
And one thing is very I will find very common about the people.
Mm-hmm.
They love their language and they love their people. And whenever they go, they will like take their people in their, like if some South Indian people, he will like get a job in a good company,
Mm-hmm.
and he will hire their friend also at that company. He will help them to come and work with their friend.
Right, you are right.
They will always helping to each other.
Mm-hmm. They they want to develop their community and their religions people.
Yeah, they will work the community.
Right. But in our society, people they never help each other, right?
Yeah,
They only feel jealous. They never tell truth,
yeah.
right?
Mm.
बात कर कर
Okay, Prachi, I have to go.
Okay.